My name is Liz Robin. I'm the safety officer for the Wood Hobby Club. Firstly, I'd like to thank you for your time and patience and understanding as we navigate these unprecedented times. This mandatory video highlights some key elements of our safety plan as mandated by the province and other governing bodies. Along with this video, you will have also received, for your reference, a copy of the safety plan and member guidelines. The shop hours will remain 24/7. However, there's a maximum of 3 persons in the main shop area and 1 person in the finishing room for finishing activity. Reservations are required and can be done in blocks of 4 hours. If you live far away and you want to call the shop, the phone number is 250-339-8211 extension 8588. Members, if you hear the phone ringing, please answer it and they can help you to make your booking and or check the reservations. If you're here in the shop and you're not done your project and there is no one else waiting to use the shop, then you're welcome to continue on. However, you will have to leave if someone new comes in and wants to use the shop. No pets, minors, or persons just observing. You're required to screen your health before coming to the shop. If you're feeling unwell at all, please stay home, no exception. Social distancing is required at all times while in the shop. We will provide for you hand sanitizer, gloves, and wipes for use of high-touch surfaces between users. These products have been provided and approved for our use. Please do not bring any cleaning or sanitizing products to the shop without prior approval. What we're going to do now is just go through a quick demonstration of accessing the shop, signing in, hand sanitizing, etc. So if you're the first person arriving at the shop, please enter as your standard procedure. For safety purposes, please turn on the lights and then go directly to the hand sanitization station, which is located here right inside the door. We would ask that you sanitize your hands before using the pen and signing in. If you are the main key person, please remember to put that key on the binder so that the last person out can take it. Sign in using the appropriate columns and information. However, if you're here just to do a reservation, then we will have a binder or a clipboard that will also allow this activity to occur. It will be broken down by time slot, member 1, member 2, member 3 of the shop, as well as the finishing room position. Again, 4 hours maximum. If you don't need 4 hours, then just put the approximate amount of time that you think you need. Once you're finished signing in, we would now ask you to open the overhead door. It doesn't have to be to the very top, but we want it high enough so that individuals can come into the shop and maintain that safe distancing. Then we're going to go to the back of the shop and open that door as well. If this door won't stay open, feel free to drag this can over or grab a broom handle or something to keep it open. That way, by having the flow through, we're creating almost an outdoor work environment. Now you're free to use the shop. If you're the second or third person arriving at the shop, it's already been opened, so we would ask you to go directly to the hand sanitization station. We would ask you first to use the hand sanitizer before signing in. Complete your sign-in and you are now free to use the shop. So during the use of the shop, we will be requiring you to sanitize using the provided wipes, high-touch areas. So what we mean by that are on-off switches, handles on the cabinets, blast gates. Do this, take out a wipe, and it's simply just wiping down, again, the buttons that are being utilized primarily. Please do not put any wipes on the surfaces of the equipment as it will corrode and ruin the machinery. Other areas, for example, on the table saw that could be highly used, obviously, are going to be your adjustment handles, and if you were using any of the guides. So wipe those down, you can just let them dry naturally. Other areas for wiping down. So this is going to be a really important component, and it would be really great if we can try to schedule our time effectively by using one piece of machinery and trying to get all of our cuts done first there and then moving on. If you're unsure if a machine has been cleaned by another individual who's been at the shop with you at the same time, then please ask and or err on the safe side and wipe it down yourself. So the last person in the shop needs to close out and make sure the building is secure. We'll close the back door and we'll close the large overhead door. Before you sign out, we would ask that you please sanitize your hands and also use a wipe for the key. Wipe the key down, complete your sign out, and to keep the dust off of this as much as possible, we would ask that the books be kept down there. That's it, folks. Look forward to seeing you guys back in the shop real soon. If you have been instructed to self-isolate or have symptoms of COVID-19, you or a designate must contact either myself or a club president as soon as possible. In partnership with Island Health, we will determine next steps. This may mean providing your contact information to public officials for the purposes of contact and investigation. The shop also may be temporarily closed for a thorough cleaning. We need to take this seriously. There will be audits by executive members, base health and safety officers, or other governing bodies. Failure to comply may result in the shop being closed for an indefinite period of time. So to quote a very familiar person, let's be calm, be kind, and be safe. I look forward to seeing you guys all back in the shop. Thank you.